All right, guys, we are back with another LuvMe Hair special. I really do love LuvMe Hair. It's one of my favorite suppliers. We're just going to get into this U Part wig. And of course, it's like Christmas again with LuvMe Hair. We have our unit in this beautiful bag. The flat irons that come with the U Part wig is the current promotion that they're running. And we're going to do something a little different today. We're going to do a little bob situation. I'm already feeling this. So this is her. She's 10 inches, okay? She has 3 combs in the front. 1, 2, 3, okay? 1 clip in the back. And the great thing about this is that they're the clips. So you know that this will be safe and secure. This cap construction is stunning. And this is a medium-sized cap, okay? So let's just throw her on and see what she's looking like. Okay, so we're just going to throw her on. 3 clips. I like to put the middle clip in first, and then I can gauge where the other 2 should go. Now, this is a medium-sized cap, so she is relatively big head friendly. Okay. I will probably tighten her, knowing what I know. So this is her fresh out the pack. Okay, on. And we're just going to style her up a bit because she deserves. We are just going to go through with our LuvMe Hair flat irons and flat iron our 10-inch U Part bob wig. Okay, now this unit is currently going for just under $90. I know, clutch your pearls, mother, but LuvMe Hair is always running a sale, so do not worry. Their current promotion, if you purchase a U Part wig, then you get a flat iron for free, so we can't beat that with a bat. Okay, you guys really need to check out their site. They have so many units to choose from. I am now just going to go in and take our barrel curlers and just give a more defined curl to this U Part bob wig. Now, this hair is super beautiful. I really do love the idea of a short U Part bob. It is so easy to maintain and so easy to style. The cap is a little bit big head friendly, which is nice, but I have a medium-sized cap and you can tighten her. So you can tighten up the cap a bit and she feels a lot more safe and secure. But those clips are so important on U Part wigs. Like when you clip that in, it doesn't feel like she's going to come out, you know, rain, sleet, snow, shine, or good, you know, snatch it up. She's there to stay. So check out this LuvMe Hair U Part wig and tell me what you guys are thinking. This is really one of my favorite things. All right, guys. And we have a look. Now, this hair is so beautiful. LuvMe Hair came all the way through. Look at how easy that was to get her all the way together. She's fresh out the shop, y'all. Fresh out. Who needs to sit in the salon where you could just throw this thing up on your head? Like, I don't understand. And that was it. I literally did this in 5 minutes. Like 5 minutes. This took me 5 minutes to get into her. I am so in love with this. She's out the scalp. Do you see that? This is such a beautiful bob. It's not even funny. And what I really do like most about it is how easy she is to do. Like, this is how it should be. A lot of times we just really want a break from our lace, which I absolutely positively get. Get into this bob. So if you're a girl and you got longer hair, and you want something cute and different for the day, check out this bob by LuvMe Hair. I cannot get enough. Let me tell you something, LuvMe Hair. Good night. Do y'all see this bounce? Let me turn around for y'all. Okay. I'm feeling like Michelle Obama becoming. Okay. I'm really feeling this. I really don't have nothing else to say. I done came through and gave y'all a quick, fast bop with this LuvMe Hair U Part wig that's in 10 inches. Check them out and get into this. Out the Mammy Tappan scalp. Good night, LuvMe Hair. Good night. Look at this. And I'll see you beautiful mugs later.